So that was good. So then she rings me up. I put my card in there. I didn't pay attention to the amount. And I'm walking out of the store and I look at my receipt and it says $26. Well, I got 2 prescriptions filled. Each prescription was for 90 days, because I'm on the road and I don't want to have to, pharmacy surf, and I'm like, wait, there's something wrong here. So I go, because my thyroid medication is almost $100 for 3 months, which really isn't that bad, it's 3 months. So I go up to her and I said, her name was Fatima, a cute little girl, and young girl, and I said, Fatima, I think you made a mistake. And she's like, what? And I said, I don't think you charged me enough money. I think one of my prescription didn't scan. When you ran it past the scanner, it didn't pick it up. Well, sure enough, she didn't charge me. And, according to, the federal regulations, because I worked for Walgreens in their loss prevention. I was the loss prevention manager after I retired from law enforcement. I worked for them for a bit. And plus, my niece is a pharmacy tech, and my grandson was training to be a pharmacy tech. I know the regulations are so strong. She would have gotten really big trouble for being, it's $100. She was like, oh my goodness. She was so grateful. She was really sweet little girl. She says, oh, good things are going to happen for you. And I says, oh, I had to be honest, I just couldn't walk out of here like that. I would have felt horribly guilty to make some young girl, she's an intern, young girl studying to be a pharmacist, and have her get in trouble with the corporation for making that kind of a mistake. No. So, it was a good day for that. Even though yesterday was a horrible day, it was a good day. Yesterday was a horrible day. Let me tell you why. I was in tears yesterday. In tears because they messed up my new car, my new van at the RV place. Stay tuned, I'll tell you what happened.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Good morning, RV Rebel watchers and YouTubers. So right now I'm on a mission. I'm trying to get my brake controller situation here in order so I can have brakes from on my trailer and my car connected. And Ford had made it almost impossible on this vehicle to hook up a brake controller. You can't just go underneath the dash and hook it up like I did with my Explorer, which I didn't know that, of course. I just thought that I could do it the same way I did with my Explorer, like you do with every other vehicle. You just plug it in. It's pre-wired. It has a heavy-duty brake towing package, but it seems like they've made it very complicated with the transit vans. And of course they don't want to sell you a wiring harness unless you buy the Ford controller, and they want $400 for the whole entire thing. And I took it to an RV place who had no clue. I won't say their name, but they had no clue. And of course, there's no such thing as customer service these days, because when you call, they call a place and say, well, the place never calls them back, and they just sit there and say, well, I'm waiting for them to call me back. Well, don't wait. Sit online and, pressure them, You need an answer. I'll hold while you find out if you have the part. But nope, because everybody's too busy, and they think that the customer has all the time in the world to just leave their vehicle there for hours on no end, to leave their vehicle there. So in the meantime, I called this hitch place, which is what I should have done to begin with. And then they didn't put my dash back together correctly. I could see gaps in it, which is now pissed me off. So, okay, ooh, bumpy road. So, I'm going back over to the RV place because they didn't put my dashboard items back together properly. There's big gaps in it. It's not connected right. Oh, I tell you, some people, unbelievable. You know? Anyway, so I'm going to go back and do that. And then I talked to the guy at the hitch place, and he said that those echoes are awesome. He goes, I would not be going and putting in a system if you have the echo. He said the echo is great. So, excuse me, I'm going to use the echo. Yeah. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and use the echo and see how it goes. And if I don't like it, then I can go back to him and he'll take care of putting in the aftermarket brake controller for me. So, yeah. I can't stand when people don't put your vehicles back. I mean, my vehicle's only 2 weeks old, you know? Frustrating. Going back to the RV place. So the people who looked at my vehicle to see about putting in a brake controller effed up my thing. It won't go back in now. And look at this. It's all messed up now. My whole thing was put back wrong. It was all out of alignment. So I came back here to tell them, hey, this is not right. And then they took them. I've been here for 2 hours. They've been pushing on this thing for 45 minutes. And I said, you can only push it so many times. You can push it. Now, from pushing it and pulling it back off again, now look at this. This is all messed up. This whole piece is messed up. Nowhere else is it separated the leather from there, except for right here. Look at this. I'm so angry. So I'm practically in tears. I am so upset and disgusted because they've messed up my dashboard. And now they have to get something from Ford, get the part from Ford, my brand new rig, my brand new van, to fix the piece that they messed up. I'll never come here again. Well, I have no choice, but they said they're going to have a Ford technician put the part on. A Ford tech is going to come here and put the part on to this RV dealership. They pulled my dash apart underneath. They broke the piece. I could cry. My brand new vehicle. 2 weeks old. I spent the whole day. It's now 3:20. I got here at 10 to 10 this morning. Then I left. And then I came back because the dash is not put back. Well, we're working in the van, and I let Danny come in here with me tonight while I was working. Got the heat on, and I wanted her to check out her little cubby. She likes it. She remembers. She used to love sitting in there. What a cutie. What do you think? You like it in there? You like that cubby? I even put a light. Mommy put a light in there for you. No door. You can come and go as you please. That's for you. This is for your dish. This is for the electric. That's for electric cords. Yeah, look at you. You can nice and snug as a bug in the rug.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
You could stay there. You like it there? You got a light? What do you think? Talk to me. Hey, Danny, what do you think of it? What do you think in there? You smell chicken on my fingers. Look at my fingers because I was eating chicken. Yeah. So I bought these little hooks. Yeah, they were on Facebook, but I bought them on Amazon for less money. I did. And you stick them on and they hold your curtain rods. So I'm going to try them and see how they work. For my curtain that goes along the bottom of my bunk bed. Or not my bunk bed, but the bottom of my little bed here in the den. So, and Danny's wandering around, checking everything out. She got a chance to see her cubby today, and she went right in there. Where's your cubby? Where's your little cubby? You want to go in your cubby? Go in. Is that your bed? Is that your bed? Yeah, you like it in there? Yeah, is that yours? Uh-huh. Go on. Let me see you in your cubby. Go on. Let me see. Go see. Go on. Go on. Oh, you're such a good... You like it? Yeah?
Of course I like it, Mom. This is awesome. It's like my own little fort.
So I need a little comfort food. Yeah, I needed comfort food, Danny. You give me comfort, but the food gives me comfort. Oh, shh. Quiet. That's enough. So I made myself my famous tacos that I love. I make my shell out of just cheese, and I just fry it in the pan and make it crispy. And cheap cheese, 3 blend, or 4 blend. Taco cheese, Mexican cheese, whatever Fiesta blend, whatever store you buy it at. And I fry that crispy in my fry pan, and then only on one side you have to cook it, and then I fill it with chopped avocados, chopped red onion, little Tabasco, and lemon juice, and yum, it hits the spot. And so I'm going to do that. And I'm watching the SVU, Law and Order, Law and Order SVU. Stapler, they brought Stapler back. Yeah, it's a crossover. Yeah, I'm watching it now. Thanks for watching my videos, everybody. Talk to you soon. Chop, chop. Yum, yum.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.